Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max. One of my favorite Neville quotes is from a lecture called Inner Talking. He says, I've been teaching the law, now I'm paraphrasing, I've been teaching the law since 1938, and I find myself constantly having to remind myself of my mental activity, to watch myself, where you get a letter from someone and she's going on and on about all of these different things as if, no gratitude whatsoever. And I read it and I think, so what? And I have to catch myself. And he said, if I, someone who has been doing this as a professional for all these years, find myself needing to constantly monitor my inner talking and catch myself in moments like that, how difficult it must be for someone who never even heard the word. Be encouraged. Thanks for watching.